First of all, open the installer folder, click on setup. So this is for to next. Click on next. You can click on this to browse where the folder location for the setup file. This is to choose whether the installer is for everyone or only one person. This one for everyone, this one is one person. Click next and next. So done. First of all, after the installation completed, you can turn on the meter and connect the meter with the PC to the PC using the USB cable. Open the software and then click on refresh so that the software will detect the meter. So here is to open new sheet, Excel or save. Export to Excel, or you can directly click on export and enter the info, and then you can export to open to Excel. Okay, to measure, you can use the meter button on the meter or the software. If you want to use the software, just click on measure. So click on measure. So on the meter, it will show the current value for test 1. Click measure again for test 2 and click again measure. Then it will read the value. And then once again you click, then the completed measurement will appear on the sheet. So as I said, you can just export to Excel. Click on export and choose the location for the result to be saved. For example, I save on the desktop. Save. And it will show the result on the Excel.